Hey everyone, and welcome again to another edition of SEO training, again brought to you by SEO SearchEnginePlacement.com. We last left off talking about keywords, and I wanted to kind of go over that one more time with you. I don't believe that I shared enough information in the first video, and this one may actually go into 2 videos. We'll just see how that works out. For right now, I just want to talk with you a little bit about your keyword research, which is the very first step in any kind of SEO project. Actually, this is the very first step to any kind of website building project, because you're going to want to know what your website is about. So let's talk about that in a little bit more detail this time. This is going to be the second installment of that. Now, the very first thing I want to let you know is there's 2 options as far as how you can do your keyword research. The very first option is you can do it based off of, well, actually 3, but I wouldn't go with the searching by K-E-E, key. Again, in the first video I did on the keywords, you'll see why. The first option that I would actually suggest is doing it based off of how many searches per month your keywords get. The second option, a little more work is involved, but you'll get better results, is finding out how many people are searching for the keyword, and then finding out exactly where your competition is as far as those keywords go. So I'm going to, in real time right now, go on ahead and show you exactly what the process looks like. So I've got my program opened up, Web CEO. This is the one that I use to do my keyword research in. Right now I'm going to go ahead and explore this niche. Let's say that our website is going to be on ballroom dancing. Okay, I'm typing in ballroom dancing. And now I'm going to let the program do its work to find out information on ballroom dancing. It's going to come up with a bunch of different keywords that could possibly be used. I would suggest, instead of just going by what it pops up, you need to sit down, think about every possible thing that goes along with ballroom dancing, and write those keywords down. So, alright, it's going a little bit. Might take it a little bit, but it's a good program. I would certainly suggest using it. Okay. But anyways, while that's going, I want to just let you know that you can think up as many keywords as you can. Write every single one of them down. You do this by asking all kinds of questions about the subject of ballroom dancing. Later on, we're going to get into the actual organization of these keywords and how we're going to put them into the website. But for now, we're just getting as many keywords as we can. One thing that I want to talk to you about is, okay, well, like you see, it's actually finished. But one thing I want to talk to you about is how many keywords you need per page. I would suggest no more than 3 to 5 keywords. And when I say keywords, I mean keyword phrases. Those aren't just simple one word, but it could be 2 words, such as ballroom and dancing would be 2 words. But if you combine them, ballroom dancing, it's a keyword phrase. So right now, this one has come up with ballroom dancing. And by the way, the reason I say that you need to only have about 3 to 5 keyword phrases is because if you start getting more, the search engine starts thinking, well, this website is about a whole lot of different things. I'm not sure exactly how to classify it and where to put it. So if you just keep it simple, 3 to 5 keywords, the search engine is going to be able to rank your website higher for those type of keywords. So the program has come up with ballroom dancing, ballroom dance, East Coast swing. Interesting. Social dancing. Alright. Well, let's just go on ahead and go with those, since I'm not actually making a website on ballroom dancing. And I'm going to get some information off this to try to find out exactly how many people have searched for these keywords per month. And that's going to give me some idea of what type of keywords that I want. Okay, we see ballroom dancing. Actually, wow. Maybe I should start a website on this. It actually has over 100,000 searches per month. It showed me the competition is only about 2 million websites. Now that brings its key, again, remember I don't use this, but I want to tell you, brings it up to 5, which makes it pretty good. That's definitely something you might want to think about if you're going to use key. But again, I don't use that. So now let's go to Google itself and type in ballroom dancing. Okay, the very first website that comes up, let's check on that. It shows it has a page rank, which is different than where the search engine ranks your site in the SERPs. This is just a page rank, something that you can see if you download the Google toolbar, which I certainly suggest. It has a page rank of 6, which means it's got a decent amount of links going to it. If I find out what the backlinks are to this, let's see. I'll find out real quick for you. Okay, this particular website has about 7,764 backlinks. Some of these are high quality. They have the same kind of keywords in their title and things like that. They have higher page ranks, which means actually this one has a page rank of 8 pointing to this site. So that means there are some high quality websites pointing to this one, meaning it's going to rank higher naturally in search engines. So again, the key may have been high, but we've got a lot of competition for this. So we may not want to actually be doing that. Let's take a look at another one. How about East Coast Swing? Doesn't have too many searches. But if you go to it, you will find the very first website is Wikipedia. Gotta love those. Okay. The next one only has a page rank of 3. That basically means it's going to be easier to rank for those keywords. The links are going to be easier to get. So this is definitely something you may want to consider using. So those are the 2 different methods on doing keyword research. Again, you want to make sure that you have about 3 to 5 keyword phrases for each page, and you need to check your competition. Now, if you're like me, all you have to do is check how many searches there are per month. That's how I do it. I don't go into all this other stuff simply because I'm arrogant and I believe that I can actually rank well for anything I set my mind to. So without further ado, that's the end of this video on keyword research. I think we've covered it quite nicely, and I hope to see you in the next video.